darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐋𝐈𝐍𝐻. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you're all welcome. So today's video is proudly sponsored by 𝐻𝐻𝐸, of course. When it has to do with kinky wigs, you see kinky textured wigs, leave it for them. They absolutely know what they're doing. They're the baddest in kinky wigs, and I'm not surprised that I have this look. I'm not surprised that this wig came out this nice. And that is what I'll be showing you in this video, how this wig was installed. Every single details on this wig is in my description box below. Let me tell you that now. For those that do not watch the videos to the end, this is for you. We have something special for you towards the end of this video, so kindly watch and let me know what you think about this unit. So this was how my package came from 𝐻𝐻𝐸, of course. And trust them to always send goodies. So what's in my goodie bag? We have the HD wig cap. We have a comb with the brand name on it for those that are going to steal my comb. You know the people that I have in my house. So this is from 𝐻𝐻𝐸, and have this edge brush, of course. And last but not the least, we have the clips. Thank you so much, 𝐻𝐻𝐸. Thank you. And oh, we also have a thank you card. Thank you card here. And the deal for today, it comes in this satin bag, reusable, of course. And I can't wait to meet my new baby. Guys, this is a unit we're working with today. This is the natural 20 inches kinky. Oh, let me go to their website. Let me not tell people what I don't know. So this is the natural coils 13x6 fitted glueless HD lace wig with 4C coily edges. Guys, the code for this wig is GW06, and this wig is just $299 USD, like $299, which if you use the discount code I'm going to be giving you at the end of this video, you'll definitely get some percentage off your order. Believe me. I don't know why you guys don't use that code. I don't know why you don't use the link I put in my description box, but it's your loss. If you're not gonna use it, I mean, why won't you use it? Why won't you use these codes I give you? Why wouldn't you? Anyways, let's get to installing this wig, because I cannot wait. This wig on the website, let me show you what it looks like on the website first. This is the wig on the website. So we're gonna try to recreate exactly this, because I'm feeling see the coils, and that's the exact coils I'm seeing here. Let me show you. Oh my god, wow. This unit, oh my god, I can't express how I feel about this unit. Wow. 𝐻𝐻𝐸, you guys keep wowing me. 𝐻𝐻𝐸 or nothing. Wow, guys, just take a look at this coils. tell you this, Wow African is one brand that I would follow blindly anytime, any day, because you see this thing called wig, just leave it for them. Leave it for them. They know what they are doing. They are one of the best brands I've worked with, and I absolutely enjoy working with because they never disappoint. I mean, look at this gorgeousness. Look at this luxury of a wig. When it comes to natural wigs, leave it for them. Leave it. They know what they are doing. They know absolutely what they are doing. This unit looks so nice and feels so nice. The weight of this wig is so light and the texture is kinky. It's actually a straight kinky wig, but I don't know how they were able to do these coils and sent it this way. Even with the way I've squeezed and did everything wrong to this wig, this coil still remains, and it shows that they know what they are doing. This unit is 180% density, of course, and 20 inches. You can see from this unit that the texture of this wig is kinky. And of course HD lace, because this wig is completely glueless. Let me show you. This in store was completely glueless, and you can't even find the lace. You can't find the lace at all. At all. The lace of this wig is HD, and that's why you can see that it melts easily with my skin. You can see that this wig already came pre-styled, making the install very quick and easy for me. While African, they make everything very, very easy for you, and that's one reason why I keep, you see, these brands, my relationship with them is forever. Oh, it's forever. They go nowhere. I love all their units. I love every unit I've worked with, and I'm really not surprised that they were able to send me something this nice and versatile that I can wear for like forever, because their wigs, you see, wigs, when it comes to WIGS in capital letter, leave it for them. They know what they are doing. Lest I forget, this unit is also 100% human hair, and the lace is bleached, like the knot is bleached. That's why it syncs very well with my skin. So if you know you want to get this wig, I have a discount code for you. As usual, you know that when it comes to Wow African, they always give us something. They always give me something to give back to you people. So when you're shopping your hair or your wig, when you use 𝐻𝐈𝐿40, you get $40 off orders over $259. $40 off your order. Can you imagine that? A whole $40 off. And when you use 𝐻𝐈𝐿15, you get $15 off orders under $259. Can you imagine? $15 and $40 off only when you use this code 𝐻𝐈𝐿40 and 𝐻𝐈𝐿15. So if you're wise, if you're a wise person, you better use this code. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I hope I was able to convince you to get this beautiful luxury hair from Wow African, and I hope you're going to subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Wow African channel. Of course, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.